English Greek future go. I will go.
Θα πάω.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. We're going future mode with Greek, short, funny, and super practical. Buckle up. Your goal today. You'll master the future of to go in all persons, quick, clear, confident. Target words we'll nail today. I will go.
Θα πάω.
You, singular, will go.
Θα πας.
He will go.
Θα πάει.
She will go.
Θα πάει.
It will go.
Θα πάει.
We will go.
Θα πάμε.
You, plural, will go.
Θα πάτε.
They will go.
Θα πάνε.
Quick forms tour. Repeat after me, nice and bold. I will go.
Θα πάω.
You, SG, will go.
Θα πας.
He will go.
Θα πάει.
She will go.
Θα πάει.
It will go.
Θα πάει.
We will go.
Θα πάμε.
You, place, will go.
Θα πάτε.
They will go.
Θα πάνε.
Comedy at the bus stop. Time for a mini sketch, listen and smile. A. Tomorrow, I promise I will go.
Θα πάω.
Early. B. Great, you will go.
Θα πας.
To the right stop, right? A. He will go.
Θα πάει.
To buy snacks. She will go.
Θα πάει.
To get the tickets. B. Relax, it will go.
Θα πάει.
Smoothly. A. Perfect, we will go.
Θα πάμε.
Together. B. You all will go.
Θα πάτε.
In Group A, they will go.
Θα πάνε.
In Group B. Pronunciation Mini Coach. Hit the key sounds, U star. The future marker.
Θα.
Soft, th, like in, think. Stress matters.
Πάω. Πάει. Πάμε. Πάτε. Πάνε.
Keep the accent on the first syllable. Chain them smoothly.
Θα πάω. Θα πας. Θα πάει. Θα πάμε. Θα πάτε. Θα πάνε.
Beat drill. Clap or tap, then speak, rhythm locks it in. Clap, I will go.
Θα πάω.
Clap, you, SG, will go.
Θα πας.
Clap, he will go.
Θα πάει.
She will go.
Θα πάει.
Clap, it will go.
Θα πάει.
Clap, we will go.
Θα πάμε.
Clap, you, place, will go.
Θα πάτε.
Clap, they will go.
Θα πάνε.
Mini quiz. Quick fire, answer out loud. Q1. Say in Greek, we will go. A.
Θα πάμε.
Q2. Translate, they will go. A.
Θα πάνε.
Q3. English meaning of.
Θα πάει.
A. He, she, it will go. Q4. Greek for, you, plural, will go. A.
Θα πάτε.
Q5. Greek for, I will go. A.
Θα πάω.
Culture tip. Sound natural like a local. In everyday Greek, for plans right now people say
Πάμε.
equals let's go. For future plans, use
Θα πάμε.
we will go. Reassurance phrase.
Θα πάει καλά.
Equals it will go well. Keep that in your pocket. Challenge time. Your turn. Make it real. Say, tomorrow, I will go to the museum. Tomorrow.
Θα πάω.
To the museum. Tell a friend, SG, you will go by bus. Quote.
Θα πας.
By bus. Team plan. We will go at 6. Quote.
Θα πάμε.
At 6. Group instruction. You, place, will go left. Quote.
Θα πάτε.
Left. Update about others. They will go later. Quote.
Θα πάνε.
Later. Wrap up. You crushed it. Today you mastered.
Θα πάω. Θα πας. Θα πάει. Θα πάμε. Θα πάτε. Θα πάνε.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing a minute a day, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Greek lessons, games, and podcasts. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.